My name is Daniel Valade. I'm one of the product managers here at Roland DGA. Today I want to go over the manual maintenance process for the VG2, part of the TrueVIS series of printers. The TrueVIS series of printers do have automated cleaning cycles that take care of itself, but once a week it's very important for us to do the manual cleaning to keep the printer in optimal shape. I do suggest going to the App Store and downloading the DG Mobile Panel 2 for VG2 users. It walks you through this process step by step, but today I'm going to walk you through that process. First thing we're going to do is go over to the control panel. And under the function button, we're going to bring up the cleaning menu. And I'm going to go into the cleaning menu. There's a couple of different options: normal, medium, powerful, and manual. Today we're going to be doing the manual cleaning, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the enter button at this point. At this point, the printhead is going to move over to the left-hand side of the machine to allow us to get into the capping station and where the wiper is located for cleaning. We can go ahead and open the right-hand panel. And when we're going to do the cleaning process here, we're going to get right here in the front, we're going to get the wiper, and then we're going to get the capping station. So a couple of things you want to make sure you have on hand when you get started are some cleaning swabs and some TR2 cleaning solution. The VG2 has a specific cleaning solution, and it is for the TR2, so make sure you're using the right solution. Go ahead and put the swab into the cleaning solution. And the first part I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the wiper. Just going to get the front and the back and make sure that I have no excess dried up ink on there. We're pretty clean right now. The next part we're going to do is we're going to get the capping station. Notice I'm just getting around the outside here, making sure not to touch the actual pad itself. We're going to clean all four of these just around the outside. And what this is going to do, it's going to make sure that it's nice and clean, so when the printhead docks back over here, we get a nice tight seal. We're all done with this side. Now we're going to move over to the other side of the machine. At this point, we're going to open up the left-hand cover. And the first thing we're going to do is get the cut rail out of the way so we can move the printhead over into the cleaning station. There's just one thumb screw here on the far left-hand side. We'll unscrew that. And then there's 3 slots. We're just going to slide that forward a little bit, and the cut rail pulls right out. Set this to the side and make sure that we don't lose our thumb screw so we can put that back later. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and open the front cover so I can manually move the printhead over into the cleaning station. Again, we're going to use another fresh swab. Get it nice and wet with the cleaning solution here. And when we're cleaning the printhead, we want to make sure we're just going around the outside edge of the printhead in this area here and making sure that we don't actually touch the nozzles of the printhead. So just around the outside, and we'll do that on all 4 of these printheads. Make sure we're getting any excess ink. Again, it's the same concept as the other side. We want to make sure it's nice and clean, so when we have a seal, the seal is nice and tight. Now that we've got the printheads nice and clean, we're going to manually move the printhead back out of the way and reattach our cut rail. Again, make sure that we line up the 3 slots, one at the end and the 2 in the middle. Once we get those in place, and slide it backwards into place and replace the thumb screw. And we're now finished on the left-hand side of the printer. Go ahead and close up this door. Close the front cover as well on the way back. And we can also close up the right-hand side door as well. And the keypad over here is displaying finished. Since we're finished now, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. This is going to return the printhead into the docking station. Now that we've hit the enter button and it's finished, the printhead is going to move back over to the capping station, and the manual cleaning process is finished.